Hey guys, welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me. Today we're going to be doing something kind of fun, different. I've never done traditional goth makeup, so I'm going to be attempting to do some trad goth makeup look, or a trad goth makeup look. So I'm going to be doing the look inspired by these looks that I found on Pinterest. Also, I dyed my hair black kind of for this. As you can tell by my nails, I forgot to paint them so that you can... Anyway. If you like this video, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, but let's get to it. Okay, of course, I'm going to be going in with some primer. I ran out of my favorite primer, so right now I'm just using some NYX primer that I got from the drugstore. I like a lot of traditional goth makeup looks. A lot of them kind of paint their face white. I'm not going to be doing that. I'm just going to be using my normal foundation. However, I do think it is lighter than my summer skin, so I mean, I am still gonna get a lighter look. Okay, then we're just gonna pat my face into oblivion until this is all blended out. Okay, now I'm gonna take some concealer and go in under my eyes. A little bit here and here. Add that until it's all blended in. This is where I'm gonna start to get worried. I'm gonna take some gray eyeshadow and contour my face with that. And I am scared. I'm gonna take it on a little fluffy brush here. I'm gonna start on my nose. I feel like the nose is gonna be the easiest place to start right now. So I'm just going to tap it under the nose. Oh no, this might be too dark. Okay, let me see if I put a little powder on it. Let's see if it lightens it a bit. Okay, that is still too dark. I'm gonna find a different one. I'm gonna find a different color. Okay, I'm trying this cool gray now. Let's see. I think this one's better. Can you guys even see it? Yeah, you can. Okay, so I'm gonna contour my nose. See? Ooh, I'm still gonna have to throw some powder on top of this. I feel like I look crazy. The people who actually can do this and pull it off, I'm just so impressed. I'm gonna trust the process. I'm trying to trust the process here. Oh my god, it looks so muddy. I'm gonna try to fix it with concealer. Okay, let's put some under my cheekbone. I'm gonna blend down because I feel like in most of these pictures, it's like a sharp cheekbone. So I'm gonna blend it down instead of up like I usually would. Oh my god, this is like the first time ever trying trad goth makeup. Like, I feel like I've done cyber goth, romantic goth, and like easy. This, oh god, this is something. I'm gonna be so sad if this turns out bad. Okay, let's try to fix this with concealer. Okay, so I'm going to kind of like curve the nose out a bit, put a little dot. Oh shoot, a little too much there. And on the sides, that's fun. Oh my goodness, the focus right now. I'm just trying to make this look good. I'm trying to fix it. Ugh. Do dot there, blend it out with my finger. I'm not super concerned about that eyelid part because like I'm just gonna throw a lot of black on my eyelid anyway. Honestly, if I put some powder on it after this, I might be fixing it. Okay, let me throw a little powder on it. I'm waiting for my new actual little puff. That could be easier, but now I'm just gonna use this brush. Oh god, that's dark. That's dark. I don't think I have a lighter gray than this either, so that's unfortunate. I mean, This is fine. I'm okay. Okay, I'm gonna put some powder on my cheeks too to kind of... Ooh. That really lightened it, blended in, and I don't know the word that I'm looking for. Oh, not. Hey, honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. This is literally my first attempt at this ever. Okay. Now I'm super scared because I'm just going in with some straight black in my eyelid thing. I'm gonna use this brush because I'll have more control over it a bit. And I want it to be kind of sharp. I mean, I guess I could just touch it up with concealer again. That's like my thing this video. I'm just gonna touch everything up with YouTube. With YouTube? I'm gonna touch everything up with concealer. I guess that's what's going on. So I'm gonna... yeah. I don't know. Some of them are going straight down. Some of them are maybe still going straight down. Looks like it's following the nose. All right, let's fucking... I mean, let's just do this. We're brave. We're getting a little fall off. Oh, God. I'm so concerned. You know, if this turns out ridiculous, that's fun. It was a fun process that I'm gonna be scared to wash off. I'm trying to blend, and this is not a blending brush, but it's fine. This is bad. Yeah, I just, props to you brave people that just go in with black. And you just aren't scared. You're just not scared at all to mess it up. I'm impressed. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with my eyebrows because they're all like small eyebrows. And like I kind of have small eyebrows. I didn't want to glue them down. I'm gonna do my best when we get there. Take a little bit of that gray and kind of buff this out more. Oh. Ooh. 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 Yikes. This is a yikes. This is yikes. I feel like I look like... Oh my god, why am I blanking on the name? But you know, from a Rocky Horror Picture Show, I feel like I look, you know what I'm saying. Okay, we're gonna try to fix this some more, because I did not want this to be so dark up in my eyebrow area. Yep. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna conceal a little bit. This came down too far, so I'm gonna put a little bit on my lid. Look up. Oh, that line. Smooth it out. Uh-oh. Whoa. Oh, too much. This looks awful. I can't tell, like, I can't even explain to you guys how scared I am. I was thinking, I can do this. No, this is way harder than... Guys. Why does it look like this? Why does it look like this? Eyeliner might save it. And do I eyeliner my brows? Let me just try brown eyebrows. Let me try like my normal eyebrow thing, but try to make them thin and up as much as I can. I definitely should not have done brown. I think that adds a little too much color to my face. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. Oh no. Oh no, I made that eyebrow too thick. Oh no! Oh no, why did you do that? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Guys, one eyebrow is up, one eyebrow is down. I fixed. Guys, I just want to be a hot traditional goth girl, like... Why? Why? Why is this so difficult? Alright, that's fine. Eyebrows, they're done. They're done. They're done. They're done. They're done. We're gonna go in with some white. I wonder if this will fix my nose. Anyway, I'm just gonna... This is not dry enough. The concealer, I mean. It's good. It's good. It's good, I guess. Good. I hate that my mic picks up my breathing. Okay, we're gonna keep putting some white in there. Or would putting white on my nose just make it worse? Just... I don't... Okay, yeah, before I throw everything, I put some highlighter on. I don't think any of these are wearing highlighter, but I feel like if I put like purple highlighter, I think that should be... No, do I put this purple highlighter? Too late. It's on. I'm gonna put it like right above this fucking contour to try to accentuate that the cheek is sharp. Got a sharp cheek. I've got black everywhere. Like, how did I do this? All right, we're doing the eyeliner. We're eyelinering it. Are they like really up? If this doesn't fix it. Oh my god, I made that wing too long. But I think it'll be okay. So thick. Oh god. Okay. I'm just... I really made this a triangle, and that is not how the goths do, but that's okay. Triangle, diamond. This is fucking diamond liner. Okay. I like to think that I'm good at eyeliner, but I have just ruined this completely. So bad. It's the point that I just have hope. That's all I can have. That's all I can have right now is hope. Hope that this will look okay. I mean, I could probably edit it, make it look okay, turn down the gray so it's not so freaking gray. Why is that wing so thick? I'm horrified at what I did with my eyeliner. I'm trying to do like a thick corner wing too. Okay, all right. Then we're gonna do some wings, you know? Some freaking long ass bottom eyelashes. That's it. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna take some black and yeah, we're gonna. Ooh. I actually kind of like what it did under here. Now to do the same on the other side. I mean, but like for real, like really. Okay, so like, also they kind of have like pointy lips. So I'm just going to attempt that with like, I'm gonna mess this up. Probably shouldn't have done it that high. Ooh, it's like I have like part of a mustache right now. I made that a circle and I probably shouldn't have. I just feel like I have a mustache. Okay. Yeah, so now that I got that done, I'm gonna fill my lips in with like black lipstick and figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. And I'll be right back. One sec. Alright, so this is the final look. And like, actually, I like it. Aside from like the horrid nose contour I did, I don't mind it. I tried to make my hair look better, but like, my hair just doesn't like being teased anymore. I used to tease it all the time back in my scene kid days, and like, it just doesn't stay. I don't know. Anyway, so I got little bunnies instead. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want me to do more of these, trying makeup styles that I've never done before. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you next time.